All right, I picked up this Weber grill, a Weber Spirit 2, used off Facebook Marketplace for $60. The grill goes for $4.99 online right now. So we're gonna pull it out. I did it in the dark last night. We're gonna pull it out of here and see if I got my money's worth or if it's all to pieces. I think it's in good shape. If so, that's the way to get a grill. So we'll check it out and we'll see you here in a second. All right, so I got my tank of gas, put it underneath. It's got a pretty cool little scale there that tells you how much gas you have left. The grill grates look really good. A little bit of food on there, not much. Looks really clean. A little bit of paint's coming off a little bit inside, but all in all, it looks pretty good. So let's see if it starts. Fired up. That's good. Let's see how long it takes to come up to heat. All right, it's been about 15 minutes, and we're up to about 540, almost 550 on the front of the grill. But let's check the grates with the infrared and see how hot they are. So this side is running, yeah, in the 550 range. Same on this side, so anywhere in the 550 range. A little hotter in the middle. I'm sure when I hit the flames it gets a little hotter, but yeah, so it gets up to temperature pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I did see the grease pan was rusted out. It goes right there, so I'll have to get something to put in there to catch the grease, but I could use an aluminum pan or something like that. So all in all, I'm pretty happy. I would suggest, if you're looking for a grill, go online and see what you can find first. You might be able to save a little money. A lot of times people are just getting rid of grills if they're moving or just don't use them. So appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.